How to fix WhatsApp waiting for this message on Android phone. First, just go to settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just scroll down until you find here WhatsApp, and then click storage. Now just click clear cache, and now just go back here, go to WhatsApp, and here check this one here, data usage, and check this one, background data. Maybe you will find it like that, and enable it, and then go check this one here, power usage details, and check launch settings. This one here, run in background, enable it, and then just wait, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.